Today, I'll show you how to set up bulk data export to BigQuery using Google Search Console. Whether you are a seasoned data analyst or just stepping into the world of data engineering, this tutorial will guide you through the essential steps to seamlessly transfer your data from Google Search Console to BigQuery. This setup will enable you to manage and analyze your search performance data more efficiently, leveraging BigQuery's powerful analytical capabilities. To start, we need to ensure that both the BigQuery API and BigQuery Storage API are enabled in your Google Cloud Platform project. These APIs are crucial because they allow your data to flow smoothly into BigQuery. Head over to the Google Cloud Console and navigate to the APIs and Services section. Here, you can search for the BigQuery API and the BigQuery Storage API. Make sure both are enabled. If they're not, simply click on the Enable button. This step is essential as it grants permission for data transfer between Google Search Console and BigQuery. Once you have enabled these APIs, the next step is to locate your project ID. This ID is a unique identifier for your Google Cloud project, and it's necessary for the data export process. You can find your project ID in the dashboard of your Google Cloud Console. Copy this ID because you'll need it shortly. Now, let's switch back to Google Search Console. On the left-hand side of the interface, you'll see a sidebar. Click on Settings and then select Bulk Data Export. This option allows you to configure how your data will be exported to BigQuery. In the Bulk Data Export settings, you'll see a field where you can paste your cloud project ID. Go ahead and paste the project ID you copied earlier into this field. This links your Google Search Console to your specific Google Cloud project, ensuring that your data is sent to the right place. After entering your project ID, you'll need to choose a dataset name. By default, it's set to Search Console, but you can customize it if you prefer a different name. This dataset will serve as the container for your bulk data once it reaches BigQuery, so choose a name that makes sense for your data organization needs. Next, decide on your preferred data location. This essentially refers to the geographical location of the data center where your data will be stored. You can choose a location like the United States or the European Union. It's important to select a location that complies with your data governance policies and optimizes performance based on where your data is primarily accessed. With all the fields filled out, take a moment to review your selections. Once you're confident that everything is set up correctly, click on the Continue button. This finalizes the configuration process and initiates the data export setup. And that's it! You've successfully set up bulk data export from Google Search Console to BigQuery. This configuration will enable automatic and regular export of your search data, allowing you to perform more advanced analyses and gain deeper insights into your website's performance. With your data now in BigQuery, you can use SQL queries to explore trends, create visualizations, and integrate with other data sources to enrich your analysis. Remember, setting up this integration is a powerful step toward leveraging your search data more effectively. If you encounter any issues or have questions about specific features, Google's documentation and support resources are excellent places to seek additional guidance. Thank you for watching and happy analyzing.